welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the September 2025 Flavors of the Month kit. So our Flavors of the Month comes out every month. It includes 4 brand new collections. You get cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. So this is a perfect way to get more new product into your stash each and every month without breaking the bank. When you're a subscriber to the kits, we have some freebies for you. So first off, you're going to get a sample of gourmet coffee. You can brew that up when you unpack your box or when you start playing. You have access to 4 recipe cards, one for each one of the collections. They're for double-page layouts that our design team creates for you, and they give you their cutting and assembly instructions, and then a color photograph of the finished layout so you can create right along with them or just be inspired. You also have access to a free exclusive cut file designed just for our subscribers. And this month is the Spring Floral Heart. So if you have a digital die cutting machine, you can cut this and use it in your projects. Super cute. We also have our YouTube channel here where our design team creates process videos for you. So there is inspiration for each one of our collections. And there are challenges and inspiration on the Facebook group and the blog. So be sure that you join our groups and our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on anything. Our 4 collections this month is Nature's Haven from 49th and Market, Cartabella, It's Autumn, Doodlebug Designs, Summer Fun, and Uniquely Creative Indigo Bloom. So you can see there's a wide variety of collections this month, a little bit for everybody. So let's dig in and take a closer look at each one of these collections and everything that you're going to get. The first collection we're going to look at is 49th and Market, Nature's Haven. And before I start, I want to tell you that on the cardstock, because I filmed so early, that sometimes due to supply, that the cardstock names may change, but the colors will always be the same. So just know that going in. If you get your kit and the names are different than what I've said, don't worry about it. It's the same color. You know it's going to coordinate. So on this one, we're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. This paper here is Strawberry Tea. This beautiful floral and strawberry collection up here. And down here we have the water pitchers with the strawberry plants and the little log cut off. It's just gorgeous. The back is all of these strawberries, and then we have the distressing and the little bit of mixed media in the corners. Full branding strip on these. This paper is called Busy Bee, another one that could be used as a background. The designs are running up the sides. We have the little bees and the florals and again the berries. The back is this patchwork quilt with the zigzag stitching. Branding strips, the plaid. And this paper is called Simply Sweet. So this one has the embellishments kind of all around on all 4 sides, the mixed media in the center, and then you can see hints of the pattern paper out here. And the back is a green gingham, and the branding strip's a polka dot. So one more look at your pattern papers. Your embellishments will vary, but you're going to receive 1/5 a pack of the die cuts. But if you know 49th and Market, the packages are huge on their embellishments, so you get a lot. I got this large frame and some smaller pieces, this little border here, super cute. So that is 49th and Market, Nature's Haven. Who's ready for fall? This is It's Autumn by Cartabella. So this is that heavy textured cardstock, just yumminess. We're going to start with 2 sheets of cream cardstock. This is by Cartabella and matches to this collection. This paper here with all of the scarecrows and the falling leaves. The back is this, it's a diamond print on this gray kind of minty color. This paper is called Scarecrow Friends. Then we have a falling leaf in all the different colors. The back is that kind of varnish red. This paper is called Colors of Fall Leaves. We have this cut apart, which is fun because we have a strip, a long strip. So this, you know, will be 12 inches, unlike sometimes on the sticker sheets, they're not the full 12 inches. So that's a lot of fun. And then we have different sizes here. We have some square ones. We have the 4x6, the 3x4. So lots of options there. I love this one, Pumpkin Kisses and Harvest Wishes. The back is a check design in all of the different colors, or a gingham design. This one is the multi-journaling cards. So one more look at your pattern papers. That is just gorgeous. For the embellishments, you will get this full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have word labels down here. This large banner. We have the larger icons. I love the barn and the tractor here. Lots of little pumpkins and a squirrel and scarecrows. So that is It's Autumn by Cartabella. Our next collection is this fun Doodlebug collection, Summer Fun. So if you've been to the pool, the beach, or just outside having a lot of fun, this is perfect for you. We have 2 sheets of blueberry cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one, Let's Luau, which the florals. The back is a tone-on-tone pink floral. This paper is Polka Dot Bikini with all of the different colors in the collection. And then we have a green plaid design, white. This paper, Water Baby. So this one is just a water print. On the back are all of the little sea creatures. So much fun. I always love their little turtle. It's so cute. So he's making another appearance here. So one more look at your pattern papers. Your embellishments. You're going to get a good mixture of odds and ends and the chit-chat pieces. So that means icons and phrases and words. You're also going to get some puffy stickers. So these are the ones that I got. All of these embellishments will vary because the packages are split up. But this gives a good idea of what you'll get. Super cute, super fun. Can't wait to use it. So that is Summer Fun from Doodlebug. Our final collection is Indigo Bloom from Uniquely Creative, and this is a gorgeous collection. We have the dark navy to the pink, super pretty. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. This pattern paper here is called Lila, and it has these hexagons here, super cute. So you could cut these out if you wanted, or leave it as a background. There's also a coordinating nesting hexagon die that they sell if you happen to own that or if you wanted to purchase that. That's super pretty. The back is a pink polka dot, full branding strip. This paper is called Blushing. Super gorgeous floral at the bottom here and the pink watercolor at the top. The back is a 2-toned blue print. We have this paper called Bluebell. Again, those florals bordering the outside, super pretty. And the bold pink striped. So one more look at the pattern paper. For the embellishments, you're going to get some of the creative cuts. So these are the die cuts. And then you're going to get 3 of the florals. So these are kind of like those homemade paper flowers with a little gold bead in the center. So I got 1 of each color. So again, the embellishments will vary, but it'll be similar to this. You're going to get some florals. You're going to get something that has words on it. Love the little teacup here. So that is Indigo Bloom from Uniquely Creative. One more look at your Flavors of the Month kit. Don't forget to check out the 3 add-on kits if you want more cardstock, pattern paper, or embellishments that coordinate with this kit. You can get those. Also, our Shots of Life coordinates, so you can get more pattern paper and embellishments by buying the Shots of Life to go with it. Be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can see all of the process videos our designers are creating for you. Don't forget to grab all of those freebies. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kit.